Okay, after making the 4 pieces, let's crochet its arms, legs, and one part, and a comb or crest. We found this row. Find a parallel position and extend it to the stitches on this side. Take out the yellow yarn again. First, wrap the yarn, leaving a small tail. Then pull the yarn through and chain for CH4. After finishing for chain stitches, go back to the top loop of the second chain from the hook. Work short crochets. Work 3 single crochets directly. Then slip stitches into the original stitches. Chain 1, then fasten off. For the other side, also found a parallel stitch. Same method. Pull the yarn through for chain stitches. Go back to the second stitch. Work 3 single crochets. Then slip stitches into that stitch. Then for the legs below, the leg is roughly at this position. Pull the yarn through and chain 3 CH3. Then go back to the second stitch. Works to single crochets. Slip stitches into the original stitches. This side is the same. Find a suitable stitch. Just make it symmetrical. Chain 3, go back to the second stitch. Work a single crochet. 2 single crochets. Slip stitches. Fasten off. Then take out the red yarn. At the top part, roughly the middle position, you can fold it to find the center. Find 2 stitches in the middle position. Chain 4. Then slip stitches into the stitch where you inserted the hook. Once more. In the next stitch, slip stitch, then chain 1. Fasten off. You only need to make one of these parts. Then weave in the yarn tail at the back. Just weave in the back yarn tails a bit, because later we will sew the pieces together. Wrap the yarn around the hook, pinch and pull out a loop. Insert the hook through this loop. Pull the yarn through. Chain 1 CH1. Then insert the hook back into this loop. This is 1 single crochet. Work 6 single crochets into this loop. Then insert the hook again. Pinch these 2 loops tightly. After finishing, tighten this loop. After tightening, go back to the first stitch and fasten off directly. This is a small beak. on the wrong side. Take the glue stick directly and apply some glue on the wrong side. After gluing these two yarns' tails down, once they are glued, cut them off. You can pinch it to shape it. Continue to crochet the ears. First, take out the white yarn and wrap it. Then pinch a loop. Pull the yarn through, forming another knot. Then insert the hook through. Chain 6. After chaining, go back to the second stitch from the hook. This is the first stitch. Works into the top loop of the second stitch. First, work one single crochet. Yarn over, then in the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Pull the yarn through. Then pull through all 3 loops at once. This is 1/2 double crochet. Next stitch, work a double crochet. First pull through the first 2 loops, then pull through the last 2 loops. Next stitch is also a double crochet. After 2 double crochets, in the last stitch work for double crochets. Into this space a stitch. Work for double crochets into this space. Then you will work on the other side. Work into the loops on this side. Work a double crochet. Yarn over, next stitch. 1 double crochet. Next stitch. 1/2 double crochet. Last stitch, 1 single crochet. After finishing, slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1, then fasten off. Weave in this yarn tail. There's a hole here. Go to the opposite position, according to this direction. Pull it tight like this, and the loop will shrink. Then cut it. Also woven in the yarn tail on the back of this one. Make 2 rabbit ears in total. Then take 1 piece, the body piece, same as before. Find the corresponding middle position. Crochet the arms. The method for crocheting the arms is the same as for the chick's arms. Chain 4. Then go back to the second stitch. Works 3 single crochets. Slip stitches into this stitch. Chain 1, then fasten off. On the corresponding position on the front. Then weave in these yarn tails.